If the vehicle tends to drift while driving, simply ensure that the A-pillar remains parallel to the edge line of the road. This will help maintain a stable distance of about 50 centimeters between the car body and the roadside, preventing the vehicle from crossing the line or veering off course. When passing oncoming traffic, observe the headlights of the approaching vehicle. If the headlights appear above the A-pillar angle, the width between the two vehicles is sufficient for a safe pass without collision. If the left edge of the steering wheel aligns with the edge line, the left wheel is positioned directly on the line. Likewise, when the 2 o'clock position aligns with the edge line, it indicates that the line is centered along the car's body. When driving through uneven or narrow roads, these reference points can help estimate the available space. When the wiper joint aligns with the road edge, the distance between the vehicle body and the edge is approximately 30 centimeters. Therefore, when parking along the curb, align the wiper joint with the edge of the sidewalk, then straighten the vehicle. This will result in an ideal parking distance of about 30 centimeters from the curb.